along with the EVMs and VVPATs. So there are around 46 polling stations in Vasco constituency, and there are 30 polling stations in Mormugao constituency, 30 polling stations in Dabolim, and 41 polling stations, sorry, in Kortalim constituency. So we have distributed the polling materials and the EVMs and VVPATs to the polling parties today, and these polling parties were dispersed from Mormugao Port Institute, which is a distribution center, at around 2 o'clock. So now they have reached the designated polling station in Mormugao Taluka in all four constituencies, and they have set up their polling booths. So we are prepared now to conduct poll today. Tomorrow is the poll process, and to create awareness amongst the electors, we have decorated certain booths, especially in Vasco constituencies. Our Lady of Candelaria High School has been designated as green booth. Then St. Andrews High School, we have designated it as a model polling station. And there is also a medical camp for senior citizens, which is conducted for the first time on the polling day. And Vasco constituency, it is one of the four constituencies in South Goa, parliamentary constituencies, wherein a medical camp also is simultaneously being conducted on the poll day in the adjacent room of the polling station. There is another pink polling station wherein all the polling officials are women. It is an all women polling booth, pink polling booth at St. Joseph Institute, Vasco. And Kendriya Vidyalaya 1, part number 33, it is designated as green polling booth. And 36, it is designated as model polling station. Model polling station. So we have decorated this polling station made up of natural material, plantations and all. So, and it has been nicely decorated by our booth level officers and PWD engineers also. And prime objective of this unique concept is to encourage the electors to turn up on the poll day on that is scheduled on 7th May 2024 and exercise their right to vote. So in Vasco constituency, we are having around 35,157 electors. Male electors are around 17,897. Female electors 17,189, and there are 4 transgenders. So Vasco constituency's voting percentage for previous parliamentary election was very less, was less than national average. So that's why we have conducted a lot of awareness activities, especially in Vasco constituency, for this election. And I am requesting all the electors, the general public of Vasco constituency as well as other constituencies in the state of Goa, that we have been conferred this right to vote. So you have to exercise the right to vote in a judicious manner and come out in large numbers on the poll day and cast their vote.
सर सीईओन स्टेटमेंट केला की रिफ्रेशमेंट बेवरेजीस पोलिंग स्टेशना भायर आसतले म्हणून.
Yeah. For the first time now we have arranged these beverages. So in Mormugao Taluka we have arranged Nimbu Pani for all the electors. And this Nimbu Pani we have already delivered at the concerned polling station. And the BLOs will take help of volunteers to distribute these beverages, Nimbu Pani, to the electors, senior citizens and all who will visit the polling station tomorrow.
सर कितलं दिसतं तुमका टर्न अराउंड बी जाऊ शकतो.
Last time the voting percentage for parliamentary election was very less, around 65% in Vasco. So we are expecting around 75% voting percentage this time, because there is a lot of awareness among the electors for this parliamentary election. So the voting percentage will increase, and if the electors of Vasco constituency and Mormugao Taluka give their cooperation to us, then it might go even higher, maybe even 85 to 90%.